Hey y'all, what's up, what's good? It's your girl Michaela Janae here, back with another video. And in today's video, it's a little bit of a short one because we're just going to be reviewing a deep conditioner. It is by AMIKA. I know last week was AMIKA and it's AMIKA again, but if you guys watched my last haul, you know AMIKA was just on sale, so I want to try out some products by them that I haven't tried out yet. And today we're going to be focusing on the Soul Food Nourishing Mask. You guys know I think I've used the Cure in the past before. I didn't really care for it. I might need to try it again, but now I want to try this one right here. So let's talk about what it is. It says it's a replenishing treatment that deeply hydrates, softens hair, and leaves strands 7 times more conditioned, which is clinically proven after one use. What it does, it quenches thirsty strands with this deeply conditioning and restorative treatment that penetrates the cuticles to strengthen from the inside out. Split ends are sealed, shine is enhanced, and elasticity is restored. What else do you need to know? Like a cool drink of water for your hair, this mask quenches hair's thirst. The rich moisturizing formula provides superior hydration, leaving hair manageable, soft, and shiny for days. And while I'm here, let me just say, I don't know if you guys can tell, but I can tell that my hair is definitely already looking better in general. If you guys have been watching for a while, you know that I said my hair is going through something. It wasn't like curling the same. My curl pattern was changing a little bit. And just from this wash right here, I'm definitely seeing a difference, and seeing a difference after I rinsed out this conditioner. My hair has been on the drier side, so any type of moisturizing, hydrating conditioner, I am all here for it. Like, look at the curls. And you guys know my curl pattern, it doesn't always look as defined, like right out the wash. Like, I have to use product to make it look like something. So for my hair to look like that after this conditioner, that's saying how hydrated it was, okay? Because my hair is definitely going through something. I've been switching up vitamins and stuff like that. I'm gonna do probably a separate video on that once I get it fully together. But that being said, these are the leave-ins I used. I did set underneath the dryer with that conditioner just for about 10 minutes. I didn't want to do too much because I think they only said you need like 10 to 15 minutes. So I set underneath the dryer for 10 minutes with the plastic cap. And now I am using my leave-ins and I'm just going to blow dry as normal. And let me just say, I did like this treatment. I did. It left my hair so hydrated and so soft. Like, it was so soft. I was pretty shook. It gave me that Mazzani level hydration, because you guys know one of my favorite deep conditioners is by Mazzani. Love the Mazzani so much. So the fact that this got my hair that soft is really saying something. I do plan to continue to use it going into the fall, making sure that my client's hair is hydrated. So I'm going to continue to give you guys updates and see if it makes like my top products of the year, which I am trying to like compile a little list of all my favorite products for the year of 2025. So that'll be coming probably in December. But as you can see, my hair is just detangling like butter. It's just so hydrated. I am going to blow dry it. I think I said that already. But it was just so soft and fluffy. And at the end of this video, you're going to see me doing like a little roller set. But my hair was so soft, like the roller set didn't even last. It did not last at all. I used Lotta Body. No, I didn't use Lotta Body. I used the Design Essentials Compositions Foam. And it did not have enough hold to it at all. And my hair was just too soft. So that's just how soft my hair was. And that was amazing. I really do like it. I enjoy it. The price point is pretty much equivalent with the rest of AMIKA's price points. In this video, you see me using the little travel size, so that is definitely an option for someone who does not want to purchase their huge size, their regular large size. And yeah, I think that's all I have to say. You guys can just look at me finish up my hair for the remainder of this video. If you have any video recommendations, feel free to leave them in the comments. If you've used this mask, please let me know what you think about it. I'm very interested to hear you guys' thoughts. I know a lot of people really like this, and a lot of the natural hair girlies really swear by it. So I'm very interested to see if I'm just late to the game. So I hope you all had a very blessed Sunday. I hope you all got to rest and relax and enjoy some time with your family. Hopefully you attended church or watched it. And I'll be seeing you guys in next week's video. Mwah.